Well, I finally caught one after having the camera turned off for forever. Caught a little largemouth.
Good job, buddy.
Yep. Just let him go. Should we do the underwater release? Well, I guess we're not going to do that. Hey, you got you one. Redbreast?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good size in this creek. You want to do an underwater release? All right, we're recording. Show them off there. That's a pretty one.
It's a better one. Right there.
Yeah.
See the red on that back fin too?
Mm-hmm.
Get hooked in the leg.
Come here, bass. It's a spot, isn't it? No, it's a largemouth.
I don't know. Does he have a rough spot on his tongue?
And look at him.
If he's got a rough spot on his tongue, he's a spot. If not, he's a largemouth.
He's a largemouth.
He's a nice one.
Yeah. Well, I'll catch all the largemouth and you catch all the sunfish. How's that sound?
Alright.
Oh. Let me try that again.
That's legitimately hard to walk with.
Yeah. This is an adventure.
Watch your feet right there at the bottom too.
Yeah.
I caught my right foot on top of it.
Yeah. Ooh, same. Oh. Maybe this was a bad idea. Oh, yep. Let me make a couple casts. I can get it where I want it. This ought to do. I knew there had to be something in that hole. Caught a redbreast.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, hang on, Hester. I got to make another cast. This is too good of a hole. All right, last cast. Ha! I foul hooked him. Another redbreast. All right. Feel like we can catch a lot of fish right there, Hester, but you're ready to go.
We have decided to change our course of action.
You gonna take the smart way? Oh no.
Woo!
There you go. All right, now. Every time I fished right here, there's been fish. What the hell happened to them? Never mind. There's one.
You saw me casting that damn thing. How many times?
Bluegill. Look at that. A bluegill. Congratulations. There's our friend the largemouth in there. They're just lethargic today. That one just swam right up to it and looked at it and swam away. I got a hit. You get it on the other side of the log, you'll get a hit. Just like that. Oh, that largemouth got real interested in it and then didn't. There he is. There's that largemouth. No, that's a rock bass.
It's a nice rock bass.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, dang. I don't even think I got him on camera good because he slithered out of my hand. Hester, you don't want to partake in my honey hole?
I done did.
You ain't caught one yet.
None of them bit. And then I broke off.
Dang, largemouth's just sitting right down there. Ah, I got that largemouth. Aha! It might be a spot.
I don't look like a spot. Can't see his back very well.
Get at him.
shaped like a spot.
Yeah, I think he's a spot. How about that for a creek bass, huh? Yeah, there's no division between the, looks like a spotted bass. There's no division on the dorsal fin. How about that for a creek bass? Hell, we could have just walked here from the truck and been here in 10 minutes.